And welcome back, everybody, to the second vid. We're taking a small break from tearing apart the parts car. We got Marcus doing some editing on the first video right now, and we had to take a break. You know, we had to do something a little fun. So we got Karie putting on budget whale penis. Can we say that on YouTube? I don't know. That's what everybody calls it. So here we go. Alright, so she's super excited wanting to get onto it already. If the battery dies, we'll show some after. Obviously, I didn't prepare for this at all. So we'll have to get the GoPro charged, and it looks a little different. We're using my GoPro, which is slightly older than Marcus's. So don't kill us too much on it. But luckily, she's learning, so I don't really have to do much. So, as everybody can see, we're not in our buddy's garage today, so we're having fun like a lot of people would be right now. Alright, so as we all know, sometimes with budget parts, we gotta run to the parts store, but here it is so far. Hey, what's up, guys? We're finally on the road after the whole little mix-up yesterday. It's been a day, but it's the weekend. So, we're actually on our way now to go pick it up. And, is there anything you want to tell them? Like, do you want to give the secret away yet? I guess is what I'm saying. No?
But they might get a little hint if they see the back.
Oh, okay. So, we're going to give you the hint. Right there?
Yep.
So, funny story, you know, sometimes when you go pick up a used car, you know, and then somebody's been driving, whatever, you might need tires. Somebody you know might also have a car that you've been driving that has the same wheels and stud pattern. So they're not stolen, they're just borrowed without previous consent, prior consent.
From someone who's very close to us.
From someone who's very close to us. So they might be aggravated but not mad.
Well, they might just laugh their ass off.
Or they might just, you know, yeah, laugh their ass off. So thanks in advance, because you probably won't know about it till you see the video. But we'll get back to you as soon as we get there and get it all get going, get back home. I'm actually excited for dinner. We're grabbing some Raisin Canes. There's no question about it.
You know, Raisin Canes. You know, it's worth the trip.
This guy's looking at us talking to a GoPro while we're driving.
Not used to it yet.
We'll catch you on the flip side.
All right, guys. So here we go. Here we have it. Anyone that put in their predictions, let us know if you got it right. Got a 99 Civic hatchback here. EK. It's got a Y7 head on it now, so D16 Y7 non-VTEC. That'll change though. We'll put a Y8 head on it. We had just got back.
Oh, hey.
Hi. We just got back.
I'm a little tired.
Yeah, it's like 1:30 in the morning.
And we still gotta go test this thing.
Yep. Still gotta make a test hit. Get a baseline, kind of see where it's at with the non-VTEC head. And nothing done to it in terms of performance.
That way we can track progress and know what we're doing right and not so right.
Yeah.
Because we're never wrong.
Yeah, so we're going to use a app.
Wrong a lot.
We're going to use a app to kind of get like a 1/8 mile time. Won't be perfect, be based off GPS, but we'll use it again.
Don't say the app name, because one, they're not paying us.
Yeah, of course I'm not going to say that. I said a app.
A app.
We're using an app, but we're going to use it again. It won't be perfect, but we'll use it again just to have a consistent base for the tests.
Unless somebody wants to sponsor us a draggy.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool. We need like 1 or 2.
Yeah, 2, I'd say.
Or, well, because one of the other guys has one, so.
Yeah, but for ourselves.
Right.
But nothing too special. A little rough on the edges. Need to put it up on a lift. Look underneath, see what's going on under there. And
draggy and helmets. If you want to sponsor us draggy and helmets, we'll cut vinyl and put your name, whatever you want, on the helmet. I don't give a shit.
What he said.
Can we say that on YouTube?
So big plans for this car. Gonna be taking a pause just for a little bit on the Subi. Start working on this along with our other projects. Still got the tow rig out there. Finish it up.
And the Beamer's coming along.
Yeah, Beamer's coming along good. A lot of progress, a lot of stuff for you guys to enjoy. Got plenty of content coming up. A lot of projects, a lot of progress. Gonna keep pushing forward. So
and like race season's here. There's an autocross tomorrow we're gonna miss because we're here now instead of asleep.
yeah, they do autocross too early in the morning.
Well,
It's
that's
like a
just,
cars and coffee.
That's just teching in and making sure everybody's safe and drivers meeting and stuff like that. Unfortunately, unless a miracle happens, I don't think we're gonna meet the first IFO in Hebron timeline like I wanted. It sucks. I'm a little disappointed, but it's the way money hit and getting parts in and with shipping and everything going on.
Yeah, it's about 3 weeks out from right now, isn't it? Yeah.
And then we had the whole throw-out bearing issue. Brand new throw-out bearing, 6 months old, decided it wanted to stop living. Not a Ejecto, it's still there. It's just whining like a small child.
Position, a little bit.
Whining like a small child at Toys R Us who's not getting anything.
Rip Toys R Us.
Rip Toys R Us.
Yeah, so that's about it for now. Till next time. Catch you later.